How to check the birthday date on Snapchat. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first you go ahead and open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. From here scroll down a little bit until you reach the My Friends button. Tap on it. It will take you to this screen where you find all of your friends. So scroll down and look for the one that you want to know the birthday date of. Let's say I want to know the birthday of this one. I tap on it. Next, tap on their Bitmoji right here, and you should find the birthday date right under their Bitmoji, just like that. Now if you want to know the birthday date of someone you already chatting with, just quit from there again and go to your main screen of Snapchat. Right here, tap on the messages icon at the bottom and then tap on that user, tap on their Bitmoji again at the top, and you should find it right here again. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.